Hello everyone. The video which you are going to see now, it is going to be so valuable, right? Please don't skip until last minute. See total video, you will get the clarity. And one more important thing is those people who are watching, please like the video, please share and comment so that it will be beneficial to many people. So that you are going to get a maximum advantage. Right? Let's come quickly. What is the actual thing I want to say? You have only 50 days, right? You have only 50 days. So my goal is how to get 2 marks every day. Through experience, I'm just saying this one. Please listen carefully. It's a very important. Please listen carefully. How to get every day 2 marks. I'm starting now, right? So what you do is maybe your exam time, maybe right? Exam day, I think 9 to 12. If your exam time is 9 to 12, right? 9 to 12, every day 9 to 12, please write one full length test. All subjects full length test. 9 to 12, please write every day one test. After test is over, totally 24 hours time. After one test is over per day. Remaining time is approximately you have 21 hours. In the remaining time, please analyze carefully, right? That test. Every question you go, right? It is right? Yes. Is there any doubt? Yes. Doubt is there? Yes. So go and refer the notes. Which place you have doubt? What doubt? That topic you revise one more time. Next one. You done wrong? Yes. Is there any I think concept is not clear? Please go there. Please clarify. Make sure next time this mistake cannot happen again. Do like this. Every problem, please analyze. Every problem, please analyze. Don't worry anything about the marks. After test over, don't worry anything about the marks. But when test going on, try to get maximum marks. Feel like it is an actual exam. Don't think like you are writing some practice test and all. Feel like you are right. You are writing the actual exam. Get as maximum marks as possible. After test over, don't worry about the marks. Go to every question. Oh, why I got wrong answer? Oh, calculation problem. Do calculation next time properly. Don't repeat the same mistake again. If you do like that, 65 questions writing, and after test is over, please analyzing so that no mistake is there, and anywhere any doubt is there, please revising. If you do that every day, you will get 2 marks. Every day you will get 2 marks. Please write full length test. Every day one test you write. If you do like that, 50 days, 50 into 2, you may get most probably, right, 90 to 100 marks you will get. Most of the toppers used to do this only. Most of the topper, I have experience, I seen so many toppers from the last 15 years. Most of the toppers will do this. If you also want to be topper, please do this. Some people not started the writing the full length test. If you not started yet, my suggestion is at least start now. Now also, if you don't start, you don't get the rank. Please start full length test at least now. Every day one test and analysis. Every day one test and analysis, and so on. If you do that, you are going to get every day 2 marks. Like that, 50 days, you are going to get maximum marks. So my suggestion, my request to everyone, please follow this. If you write extra time, whatever time is left out, you do whatever you want. Minimum do this. Every day you can get 2 marks like this if you keep on doing. Something not clear, revise. Something not clear, revise so that you can revise all the subjects. Right? I hope you got it. If you really like it, please write in the comment section. Please write in the comment section if you really liked it, so that it will reach many people. Right? So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And one more important thing is, if you have any doubts, we have right doubt groups. Doubt groups are there. In the mark test, do you have, if you have any doubt, there are doubt groups there, you can post your doubts. All the toppers are there in those groups. My request is, in the description, I'm giving the group links. In the description, I'm giving the group link. You can happily join in that group, in our Telegram group or WhatsApp group. You can join. You can ask all your doubts. right? Take the EPT test series, right? So 50 full length tests are there. Please write them, right? And one more thing is rank improvement course also you can take, because every subject 300 quality questions we made, 3500 quality questions. Most probably questions will come in GATE examination from the rank improvement course. My request to everyone is have rank improvement course. After writing every day one test, after writing every day one test, one full length test, right? So like that 50 days, left out time whatever is there, you can see the rank improvement course, right? One time every subject, because they are quality questions. We find out difficult questions we kept there. It will be really useful. So I hope whatever I said you got it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and comment whatever you are thinking. Your opinion really matters. If you have any small doubt also there, comment in the comment section. We are going to help you. Thank you so much, right? Wish you all the best.